It's a 2017 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, active grille shutters, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.